Hi there. This video is going to overview the Accelerator Update 2021. So Accelerator is the advanced integration between Sage CRM and Microsoft Outlook. All of our clients use it. And the publisher, CRM Together, has just released for mainstream consumption their 2021 version. The theme in this 2021 version is to make it easier for the user. If you're familiar with this software, I'm going to go through the enhancements and you'll say, oh, that's awesome. There are some technical advancements or changes to the architecture that are very significant too. I'll just touch on them briefly. One, Accelerator now supports 365. So the web client, you no longer have to have the client instance of Outlook on your machine. This is significant for a few different reasons. Salesforce and Microsoft CRM don't do this yet, but also now you can use it on a Mac. So supporting 365 is a big deal. But the other technical change is now we can apply license key updates or upgrades automatically. The user can. So our technicians no longer need to go to the server to apply license keys or upgrade your system. So that's awesome. As far as the user interface, I've got it open here on the right-hand side of my screen. The first thing I want you to notice, look at this person record. I'm just on a test email from myself. And in the header here, I can see how many communications, how many cases, how many opportunities. It's right there. It's a good example of the software being more intuitive. If I flip to a different record and I bring up Sheila, you'll see that it doesn't show cases or opportunities because there are none specific to her. It's dynamic. If you've already been using Accelerator or are familiar with the interface, you'll say, well, it looks different. Yeah, that's true. It's been completely modernized. It looks great. Watch me flip through the different tabs. I can see a lot more about my communications. Down in the bottom, if I click this link, I can now select a different color palette if I want or change my default font size. You'll notice I have these giant, in my case purple, but you can change the color, options here to start another email, or I'll just close that, maybe create a phone call. Of course, you have different options over here under the three green buttons, but it's a lot faster and easier to use if you just click on the giant icons. More evidence of it just being user-centric, or the design now being much more user-centric. When I go to file an email, save email, I want you to notice that the artwork within the email now shows up as an inline image. This is great. Now when I press save that email and file it into CRM, the email is saved with the inline image. So no longer creating little tiny images in your documents folder, which is a great enhancement. There are a couple very cool enhancements to outbound emails too. The buttons over here, save and send, save and prompt. Of course, I can overwrite the email before I save it to CRM, so the customer gets one copy, I get another copy. But I want to show you the email templates. So I'm going to go and bring up this guy. And now when I use either shared documents or email templates, I'm going to go find this guy. But instead of just clicking on this link, perhaps I want to preview. And I can see the preview. Oh, that's not the one I wanted, so now let's go to next. Nope, not that one either. Next. Next. Okay, great. This one is bringing in my name, so that's the merge one. And now I'll decide to use this one. And the last thing I wanted to cover was related to appointments. If I create my appointments in Outlook, how do I link them to CRM? It used to be a little different where I'd have a box here at the top where I'd reference the company and such, but now all I have to do is press link to CRM. So now when I send out this appointment or create this appointment, it'll know to file it against the appropriate location in CRM. So those are the updates. Accelerator, as you know, I'm a huge fan of it. It makes using Sage CRM so much easier, but now these 2021 changes just take it completely to the next level. If you want to know more, just let me know. Of course, we can go through a personalized demonstration. Thanks for watching.